Welcome back, my warriors. Today, I'm going to reveal the powerful insights that will transform you into an irresistible force in the realm of attraction. Brace yourselves, because I'm about to unleash the secrets that will make you a true conqueror of hearts. Prepare to embark on a thrilling journey where you'll learn how to captivate any girl's heart without uttering a single word. Do like and subscribe the video, because we are gonna build an army of warriors and I want you to be genuinely a big part of it. Now, let's get into it. Picture this, thousands of years ago, when humans were just trying to survive in the wild, there were no fancy cars or cozy houses to hide in. It was survival of the fittest, and even a slightly overweight guy risked becoming a lion's dinner. Fast forward to today, and while survival is easier, our brains are still wired to seek certain traits in potential mates. It's like an unconscious attraction program running in the background. But here's the twist, attraction is an impulse, like hunger or thirst, and it's surprisingly easy to trigger. All you need to do is tweak your behavior a bit. Men, listen up. Girls are drawn to behavior, while guys are attracted to appearance. It's like a cosmic game of yin and yang. By understanding this, you can push those pre-programmed buttons and create your own advantage. If you evolve your behavior and learn to stay calm, assertive, and aware of your surroundings like a ninja at all times, you will crack that code. I used to know a small guy who was 17 years old. He did not speak much, had a slim body, not too fair skin, but still be able to hit the spot with most beautiful girls who were 5 or 7 years older than him, not mentioning the girls of his age. How was he doing so? I observed him carefully. It was his charm at all the times, the way he communicated with people, only speaking when necessary, never letting his guard down and having a sense of attitude. The guy could release an aura of a 25-year-old masculine man with just his smirk. Observe this example carefully. We will also do a separate video in which we talk about how to behave in front of girls, so they see you utmost irresistible to them. Now, let's talk confidence. It's the secret sauce that makes you instantly magnetic. But what is confidence, really? It's the art of looking certain when facing uncertainty. Think of it as your ability to navigate the choppy waters of life while keeping your cool. Confidence is not about being a know-it-all, but rather behaving like you do, even when you're secretly sweating bullets on the inside. Remember those guys in high school who seemed to attract all the girls without any real skills? They were masters of the confidence game. It's like a poker player who bluffs their way to victory, making you believe they hold all the winning cards. In real life, it's often the loudest and most obnoxious person who grabs attention. But we're here to do it with style and genuine self-assurance. Learn the art of dominance. Girls have an instinctive attraction towards dominant guys, just like guys are drawn to submissive girls. It's like a dance of power dynamics. But don't worry, we're not asking you to go all caveman on anyone. It's about being the guy who exudes strength and assurance, the one who appears sure of himself in any social setting. Remember, dominance is all about perception. Everything we wear, from clothes to jewelry, even the cars we drive, sends a signal about our dominance or submission. So, when you're choosing accessories, ditch the dainty necklace and embrace the confident, bold ones. And the ladies, let's not forget those selfies taken from above, making you look small and submissive. It's all part of our subconscious language of attraction. But here's the kicker, each one of you has the potential to be a Ferrari, born with the engine of greatness. Society might have given you a something that you don't want to settle for, but it's time to trade it in. How? By making progress. Son, identify your insecurities, take action, and level up in those areas. Remember, confidence is the byproduct of progress, and progress is the fuel for success. In the end, it's not just about attracting girls. It's about becoming the best version of yourself and conquering life's challenges. So, go out there, embrace your unique charm, and unleash your confident, dominant self. With these powerful tools in your arsenal, you'll be turning heads and winning hearts in no time. Do remember to like and subscribe the channel. Until next time, my warriors. See you in the next video.